Right, let's do it. Right. This is well, this is the electric gate descent in the Yorkshire Dales, Swaledale area. Quite a varied bit of descending. Grassy at the top, rocky here. Multiple lines. I always struggle to get across there. There we go. Oh, I think you're better off going that right hand side. Through the trees, walled lane, very loose and rocky. Do a little jump here and there. Whoa! Over the bridge. More rocks. Whoa! Whoa! Bugger! Rougher than I remember. Excellent. Oh, that shell. Oh, very natural. Oh. Loose and rocky this bit. Oh, hey. Oh, yeah, out like the road. Down the bottom here, it's the electric gate. Oh, it's open. Wow, what a cracking descent that is. Whoa, was I? Haven't done that for ages. Oh, it's one of my favourites, that.